All you need to do for today's strategy is to copy a link from any YouTube video you want, paste it to another website and make money again and again passively. And you can repeat this for unlimited time so you can earn hundreds and thousands of dollars. If you're interested to make it work in the proper way, then make sure to keep watching till the end of this video so you can learn how to set everything up on autopilot. But just before we start, make sure that if you haven't already, to subscribe to our channel Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you won't miss any future video to come, since you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video, so you can be one of the first to use it and that way make the most money. And if you love this type of content and you like to see more, then give this video a thumbs up. With all of that said, let's begin with today's tutorial so I can show you everything. So the first site we'll be using today in order to make money online is actually going to be YouTube, and you'll see how we'll be using this site to help us get paid. Now, before we start off, let's make it clear that you don't need to create any YouTube videos. We'll be just using YouTube in this strategy for another purpose and not creating or uploading any kinds of videos. With that said, your very first step on YouTube will be to search for some types of videos that a lot of people will be interested in. I searched for how to be more productive. As you can see, this niche is huge and all of these videos have literally thousands of millions of views. You could also search in something like how to lose weight fast, for example, since I noticed those videos get a lot of views too. The point is that what you search for doesn't matter. What does matter is that what you search for is a tutorial type video that will help people, not an entertainment video, for example, and you'll see later on why. And alongside that, it needs to be also in a big niche, so the videos need to be popular. These two factors are so important while choosing the niche and videos. For now though, you need to open up any video that you have searched for, one that you think is more suitable, and I've opened up this one right here as an example. It's called 7 Simple Habits for a More Productive Life, and has got almost 4 million of views, so it's gotten quite a bit of popularity, making it the perfect example. What you guys will want to do when you open up a video for a choice is to click on the share button right here, and then you need to copy the link of this video. And now you'll proceed to the next platform that you'll be using. That platform is called Oki.io. This is actually the platform that will be paying us today. But what is this site and how does it work? How is it going to get us paid? Well, this platform works as a URL shortener, just like bitly.com, which I've mentioned before in this channel. It will basically shorten any URL for you. However, it has a major difference from a standard URL shortened. This site can actually get you paid, and this is how. When you shorten a link with this site and someone clicks on it, they'll first see some ads and then they'll be taken over to the destination site, and the ad revenue is then split with the person who shortened the link, which in this case it's going to be you. And if you scroll down, you're going to see how it works. You create an account, shorten your link and earn money. It's that easy. And Oki.io is completely free. Now you can make money from home when managing and protecting your links. You can also get paid by referring Oki.io, refer friends and receive 20% of their earnings for life. They offer a featured administration panel, detailed stats, the low minimum payout, so you are required to earn only $5 before you'll get paid. They offer the highest rates and also dedicated support team. And if you scroll down, you're going to see that you can get paid through different payment options like PayPal, Payza, Skrill, WebMoney, Bitcoin and bank transfer, which is awesome. Now there is something else I want to show you. If you click on payout rates up here, it's going to take you over to this page where you're going to see how much money you are making per 1,000 clicks. And this depends on where you are from. And when you scroll down, you'll be able to see that it says worldwide deal all countries. So this site works worldwide and it will work for you no matter where you're coming from. Anyways, what you need to do when you're here so you can shorten any link is to create an account for absolutely free. So you need to click on the sign up button. And then all you need to do is to put a username, an email address, a password, you type the password, then complete this CAPTCHA and click on submit. When you log in, this is how everything is going to look like. This is your dashboard, and here you can track your stats, how many views you have gotten, how much money you have made, and also how much money you have made from your referrals. Here you have also the average CPM, which means how much money you have earned per 1,000 clicks on your links. Now, once you log into your account, you'll want to paste the link of that YouTube video that you got before in this box right here. Just paste it here, click on shorten, and you'll get the shorten link right here. So you copy this, and I'll be able to make money whenever someone clicks on it. So it's time for me to show you guys how you can get traffic to your link, and what you need to do is to head over to this website called Quora.com. Quora is a very popular website, and I guess many of you have heard about it before. But for those of you who haven't, let me elaborate. Quora is a community-based site where people ask various questions related to any topic and then get answers from the members of this site. The main reason that we are using Quora as a traffic source is because it's hugely popular, so we can target a lot of people to click on their link, and the more clicks you get, the more money you'll be able to make. And according to SimilarWeb.com, Quora is being visited by over 500 million people on a monthly basis, so it has a lot of potential, which is very important to us. In any case, what you need to do in Quora is to create an account for absolutely free and then search for the same topic that you search for on YouTube. You have to, and in my case, I've searched for how to be more productive. What you need to do from here is to answer all of these questions that you can see, and make sure to never leave the same answer so that your answers aren't viewed as spam and you won't get blocked. In my case, I'll write something like this. This is the best guide how to be more productive, or this video will help you be more productive, or here are some tips for this matter, and so on. And I'll leave my Oki.io link right next to that. And what I highly recommend you guys do as well is to go over to Google and search for a few good tips of being more productive, and then write them in the answer alongside the Oki.io link. Like this, you could expect more clicks since it isn't as obvious that you are promoting anything. In case Quora doesn't allow you to put the Oki.io link directly, you can use many.link link to create a landing page and then use the many link URL instead, since Quora won't block this one. And literally thousands of people will be able to see your link and click on it, and whenever they do, not only you'll be helping them by sharing them a YouTube video on how to be more productive, but you also be able to make some money in the process. So it is a win-win situation for everyone. With all of that said, this is it for today's video, guys. I really hope you followed me till the end of it and got every structure right. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and a comment down below. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel, Lady Nehemiah's World, with notifications on, so you get notified whenever I post a new video like this one on how to make money online. Thank you for watching.